Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make chili and rice. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need 1 pound of ground beef, 2 cans of kidney beans, 1 large can of crushed tomatoes, and your favorite chili spices. Don't forget 1 cup of long-grain white rice. Having everything prepped makes the cooking process smooth and enjoyable. This method ensures a delicious and satisfying meal every time. Now, let's start on the chili base. Begin by browning 1 pound of ground beef in a large pot over medium heat. Once it's fully cooked, drain off any excess fat to keep your chili from being greasy. Next, add 1 diced onion and 1 diced bell pepper to the pot, cooking them until they are tender. This aromatic foundation is crucial for a rich, flavorful chili. With your beef and vegetables ready, it's time to build the chili's flavor. Stir in 2 cans of kidney beans, 1 large can of crushed tomatoes, and your preferred chili spices. Add 1 cup of beef broth and 2 tablespoons of tomato paste for an extra layer of richness. Bring the mixture to a boil, then reduce the heat and let it simmer for at least 30 minutes, allowing the flavors to meld beautifully. Finally, it's time to serve your homemade chili and rice. Make sure your 1 cup of rice is perfectly cooked and fluffed. Ladle a generous portion of the rich, flavorful chili over a bed of warm rice. For an extra touch, consider garnishing with shredded cheddar cheese, a dollop of sour cream, or some fresh cilantro. Enjoy this hearty and comforting meal, perfect for any occasion.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.